Pus is a whitish yellow, yellow or brown yellow protein-rich fluid called liquor purus that accumulates at the site of an infection. I'm Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to discuss pus. Of course, viewer discretion is advised. We don't want to blindside anybody, but this video will have a good bit of pus. Pus consists of a buildup of dead white blood cells that form when the body's immune system responds to the infection. When the buildup is on or near the surface of the skin, it's called a pustule or pimple. An accumulation of pus in an enclosed tissue space is called an abscess. Here are some fast facts about pus. Pus is a natural result of the body fighting infection. Pus can be yellow, green, or brown, and may in some cases have a foul odor. If pus appears after surgery, contact a doctor immediately. Smaller buildups of pus can be self-managed at home. Larger or less accessible buildups of pus may require surgical intervention and the application of a drainage channel. Pus is the result of the body's natural immune system automatically responding to an infection, usually caused by bacteria or fungi. Leukocytes, or white blood cells, are produced in the marrow of bones. They attack the organisms that cause infection. Neutrophils, a type of leukocyte, have the specific task of attacking harmful fungi or bacteria. For this reason, pus also contains dead bacteria. Macrophages, another type of leukocyte, detect the foreign bodies and release an alarm system in the form of small, cell-signaling protein molecules called cytokines. Cytokines alert the neutrophils, and these neutrophils filter from the bloodstream into the affected area. The rapid accumulation of neutrophils eventually leads to the presence of pus. And remember, pus is there to help you fight an infection. Although gross, it's doing serious work in your body to keep you healthy. According to Medicine News Today, if pus builds up close to the surface of the skin, such as in pimples, medical intervention is not required. The pus may be drained at home. Soaking a towel in warm water and holding it against the infected pus for 5 minutes will reduce the swelling and open up the pimple or skin abscess for a faster healing process. End quote. Speaking of pimples, let's take a look at my favorite comedone extractors. Make sure to pick up some today. They are amazing. And let's take a look. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand-inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.